Hi, it's Rich at the Property Centre. Today we're off to a fantastic 2-bedroom first floor apartment in Cousins Mews in St Anne's. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome home.